time for more than outputs. This may be made up of naturally occurring alcohol poisons like pollen and mold, but there are other poisons too. From things like scented candles, antiperspirant, pollen, pet dander, household cleaners, and air fresheners. This is what's happening in our homes every day, and because many of our homes are more sealed these days, the pollutants and allergens can't escape. However, they can be captured. This is the Dyson Pure Cooler. It indicates the allergens and pollutants from the area of the home. And its intelligent purification means you can keep track of the air quality in your home.
Hey, so let me share with you how the technology works. Next slide, please. So, Dyson Pure Cooling. Our new machine, just to put it as simple as possible, is our best-selling power fan. So prior to this, we've been here 3 years, and this model is our best-selling fan. But now, we put a purifier. So it's a fan and a purifier. That's the simplest way I can share to you what we do. So that's James Dyson. So this is our bestseller right there, but all our fans actually are doing so in the Philippines, not only in the Philippines, but all around the globe. Next slide, please. You may know a few people who use the Dyson, our Dyson fans. We do have Kenneth Photo who's a multi-awarded furniture designer. You all know him. He's also, by the way, an industrial designer, just as James Dyson is. So as he says here, he manages to do this not only from an aesthetic standpoint, so it not only does it look good, but it also functions great. Another person who also uses our power fan, you may know her, Nicole Anderson. She's a blogger and also a model. You may also, of course, know Roy Floyd, who is a blogger also. She uses our desk fan. Among others also, we have other celebrities who use it. I will just not name them today. Next slide, please. So like I said, this is our best-selling fan, which now we made into a fan purifier. Our best-selling stick vacuum, which you'll see later, and our best-selling full-size vacuum. This is for bigger houses and bigger offices. So let's focus on this. Our best-selling fan, which is now a fan purifier. Okay, next slide, please. So in China, like I mentioned, just down here over left, the best-selling Dyson product in 2015 was our fans. So not only is it doing well here in the Philippines, but also doing well in other parts of the world, globally. Okay? Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Okay. So a lot of us are practical. I'm a very practical buyer. Why buy a fan and a purifier when you can just buy just one? Fan and purifier in one. Next. It's simply put, I mean, I don't want to expound on the obvious. It's a two-in-one. We're the only one in the market that's a fan and a purifier. There may be others in the market that's a fan, a purifier, but also a humidifier. The Dyson Pure Cooling is the first fan and purifier. Now, another point of difference. Other purifiers that just blow air out. But now, not only does it purify the air, but it blows purified air towards you. Which kind of makes sense, no? May fan ka man na maganda, pero yung air na lumalabas sa fan, hindi mo malinis. So it's kind of makes sense na bakit di lang niya linisin yung air in that room and then blow you the cleanest air possible. Okay, next slide please. And then compared to other purifiers, the Dyson Pure Cooling is easy to change the filter. Others you have to unscrew something down there. You should take out the filter. Here it's very easy. I'll show you how easy it is later on. By the way, I don't want to claim that Dyson is the fastest when it comes to cleaning. Dyson does it in a slow way, but surely gets up to zero point 0.1 microns. I'll be talking about zero point 0.1 microns. I apologize to all of you, but just to demonstrate how much this is superior over what you're used to as far as purifiers is concerned. Next slide, please. Okay, so you see other purifiers.
Stand still,
These are just
please.
purifiers. But now you have the dyson, which is a purifier. It occupies a smaller space than other purifiers. If you're space conscious, if you have a condo, you know, but it also has some back. Next slide, please. So very practical, very practical. Now this is what we're very proud of. Two things why our pure cooling is slowly becoming, our best seller outside of the Philippines, and we're very confident this will be our best seller here. So we need your help in telling everybody what the size of your cooling can do. And because for those of you who are asthmatic, you have kids who are asthmatic, if you have elderly who are asthmatic, you have pets. Yes, you have pets. Our Dyson cooling has been certified asthma and allergy friendly, not only in America, but also in Australia, etc., etc. So if you don't get this done, that means you cannot clean the air properly for the asthmatics. And this is what we're very proud of, the quiet part. You probably tell me, you know what, Bobby, marami kami nakikita na yung mga fans na ganito, mga stainless, made in other countries, in China. But we're proud of this because we have the quiet part, even by the Noise Abatement Society. And what they do, if you go to the Quiet Part website, they give awards to the most quiet air conditioning, the most quiet alarm clock, the most quiet car, etc., etc. They test all these products, right? They'll give you the most quiet hair dryers, most quiet candles. So their goal is to make the world we live in less noisy, or at least the noise coming out of all of these products, and they give awards to it. Huwag nakakainit sa pera. Kasi di ba meron tayong yung mga tao minsan na pag narinig ko yung boses parang nakikita na, di ba? Kasi nga, yan yung sinasabi na quiet na. May mga tao na maganda sa pagkinig ko kasi. May mga tao na pag pagkinig ko, ay nakakaisa. So, lahat ng mga products ito, goes to the test, hindi nakakaisa as far as this is concerned. And when you go to portable fans, they only gave us 4 awards to 4 fans in the whole world. And 3 of those were Dyson. They gave it to our desk fan, they gave it to our tower fan, and our pedestal fan. And as you can see, the 4th fan they gave up, that's a fan with a blade. So Dyson is the only bladed fan that is the most quiet. Kasi yung challenge before is you have to produce a fan that's strong, pero maingay. Yung mga fan naman, hindi malakas. Now, pero ang fan na malakas, hindi maingay. Not only that, it's also energy efficient. So now you know that the fact you're getting when you get the Dyson cooling is the most quiet in the whole world. Okay. Next. Next. So, now we go to the purifier. Now, if you're familiar with purifiers, the HEPA filters, right? We have HEPA filters, you've heard of that. HEPA filters can get up to 0.3 microns. The human eye can only see up to 40 microns. Yung pinakamalinaw na mata can only see up to 40 microns. So, pag 30 microns, 20 microns, 10 microns, hindi na natin nakikita yung visible yan. In fact, right around us, we have 40 microns or less of what? Of dust, pollen, matter, etc. So, bacteria 1 micron, no problem. Dyson can get up to 0.1 micron. Dust mites, up to 10 microns, no problem. These are still invisible. Next, slide please. And even down to dust mite species, na 0.5 microns, your cooling is still capture that. So it's really asthma and allergy friendly. Smoke and dust. Now, smoke up to 1 micron, kaya niya. And speaking of smoke, I have this here, just to demo to you how good the product is. I will need a jade. with the remote. So if you want to focus your video here, this is our smoke pot. Are you ready? Okay. Smoke will come out, and then we're going to turn on the fan, and you're going to see that the fan will take up all the smoke. Okay? Ready?